Hello and welcome to Sliver Surfer 1. I'm a big fan of photography, as all you know, but I'm also a big fan of do-it-yourself stuff, so I do have quite a lot of tools like these Ryobi tools here. And I was thinking a while back, I got all these batteries because Ryobi always has deals where you can get free batteries with whatever tools you buy. And I was thinking these would make a great USB charger. Now, the Ryobi has USB chargers. They have a lantern, they have an inverter. Well, I have a USB charger on my stereo, my Ryobi little ghetto blaster that will charge my phone, but my phone requires 3 amps to charge properly or fast enough, and none of those have a 3 amp charger on it. So I was thinking I could probably take this and make my own USB charger to charge my phone. So let's get started on this. So when I was first thinking about doing this, I was going to take one of the bodies of my tools. I was going to use the flashlight one and put a USB charger on that. But then I thought, well, what if I'm using that and I need to charge my phone at the same time? That would be inconvenient. It's a cordless tool, and if I have a cord hanging off it to charge my phone, then it wouldn't be very convenient to be moving around, unplugging itself, and wrecking the cord that I have for my phone. So then I thought, why not make my own? Because I have a 3D printer. So what I did was I went on Aliexpress to find a USB charger component here. Okay, so I needed a little USB charger. I looked through there and I found a 3 amp charger. And also I needed some battery clips. So I went and I got these off of Amazon, the little battery clips, 120 of them. And this was less than $2, and this was about $9 for 20 of these, so I can use these in the future. So next I had to design a socket to go on here, and I will cut to the montage where I'm designing that socket right now. So here's my design. These little guys here. All right. So basically what I did was I measured everything on this. You have positive and negative, and built this part here. This part here, the battery fits in here, and I can clip on the little battery clips here. The little USB slides in here. There's a hole on each side for wiring to come through up to the clips, and here's the cover for it. You put it together, and you can use a little glue, and there you go. You got your little socket. So I'm going to put the electronics in it now. Show you how it works. I'm going to clip a little bit off of here. And I'm going to strip a little bit off of here. So the easiest way to do this is put a little bit of bend in the wire and push it up. All right. So you can see here, these things have the little clips on them are pushed up a little. Clip them off. So tin the wire. Since it's on this side, I want to solder this side here. All right. I'm going to feed it up. Tin it. Take it and put it in the slot. Give the wires a little bit of a tug as you're putting it down in there. All right. So these are the little clips that you get. They've got a little thin spot on them. This little tight area in here on them that it slips over this, and once you get it on, you can't get it off. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to wire it first. So I will wire it a little bit on the loose side. These are going to go on like this. Right, so we want to put it through like this. So we'll put it here. We take these, slip them on like this, and like this. And you can see that part's done. All right. Okay, so before we do anything else, before I glue this, let's test out. If it works properly, then it should light up. And it does. We take this and we can glue these together. It has a pretty good fit, right? But you can glue this together. And now we got a USB charger that clips on there nicely. Did you hear that? How well it clips? All right, so if you want to see more hacks like this, please subscribe, like this video, and we'll see you later. Have a nice day.